Hey Zach, my name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I'm shooting this free custom video for you and your company, American Royal Renovations. In this video, I plan to show you some ways how you can outrank your competition, beat them, also get a lot of new customers every single month, and just your general online presence and how to make it better. I do my outreach this way because it separates me from the other marketers out there who promise an arm and a leg. I actually put some substance behind it. So I'm going to show you some very curated, specific information for your company and your website. I'm going to be talking about three things today, which are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. Before I move forward, I really do hope that you like this video. If you do, reach out to me. I'd love to talk to you and make a bigger game plan. If not, it's fine. This video is for you. So let me get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. Google loves content. You want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. That's all I'm going to be talking about today, the home page. So I see you had your website made out. It looks pretty cool. A lot of good stuff on there. The appearance is really nice, but appearance is not what's going to get you ranked. Content is. You need a lot more content out here. Like I said, at least 1,500 words of content with targeted keywords inside that. So you need a lot of more content. It's going to automatically set you apart from all these other Tom, Dick, and Harry websites out there and beat them out and put you on top of them. Secondly, I want to share with you something called citations. So citations is basically anywhere on the web where you can put in your business name, address, and phone number. That counts as one citation. The more you have, the better. The stronger the website you put the citation on, the more authoritative your website's going to become. Most of the citations go on online directories such as Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, etc. So you want to have a lot more, and you want to definitely have more than your competition, and there's many ways to see how many they have and beat them by a mile. So I did a quick search here. I understand you guys do all kind of contracting. Electric is one thing you guys do as well. So I did Electricians NYC. Regardless of the search, it's going to look exactly like this. So let me just break down the format to you. The first thing customers see is these Google Guaranteed. These are paid advertisements in which a business has to go through the verification process and pay to be on that top spot. After that, we have these traditional Google ads. As I'm sure you know about them, they're also paid advertising. Thirdly, we move on to the section called Google My Business. This is a big section to be on. Google only lists the top 3 on the first page. They do have a lot more, but the first page is where all the money is at. So here you're going to get by adding a lot of good citations to your website. You add a lot of citations, you'll be out here. After this, we go down to this section called the organic section. This is where companies beat out everybody else and make it to the first page of Google. Because research shows that 95% of the people click on a website on the first page. So nobody's going to the second or third page. Now you guys are definitely nowhere near the first page. I checked until page 5. You're not ranking there. But once you start implementing these solutions, you're going to gain traction really fast and make your way to the first page. Thirdly, I want to share with you something called backlinks. I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a paid monthly service. Backlink is basically any website out there which points at your website, ultimately driving that traffic to you. The more backlinks you have, the more chance of that traffic comes to you, the more customers you're going to have. Now, backlinks, what it's showing, you guys only have one backlink so far, which is registered to you, coming from one domain. You don't have any keywords you're ranking for, and consequently, there's no traffic coming to your website at the moment. Now, to put this into context for you, let me go on other competitor in New York City. These guys right here. As you can see, they have 381 backlinks coming from 47 referring domains. They're targeting 414 keywords, and they're getting about 600 people visiting their website every single month. Now, the more people come to the website, the more leads, the more customers, more money coming to you. So basically, this is where you want to be at, and ultimately even beat them out. This is where you are right now. I did a little research. I found out that you just started your website a month ago. So it's the perfect time to update it since you just started it, to build a strong, solid foundation, add a lot of good keywords, add a lot of citations, and good backlinks. Because you just started, there's no spam stuff on there. With that, I wanted to keep the video short and give you these tips and techniques. I really hope you found them to be valuable. If you did, reach out to me. I'd love to share a bigger game plan with you. Look forward to talking to you, Zach. Take care.